Alexa play Well, Susie was actually. She was like, play Sandstorm.
How does it go again?
Yes, this is a famous one. I think I reset this one.
The whole song.
Yeah. You're like giving a eulogy, and I'm just like, Aaron, how's Sandstorm go again?
I just like that one.
And I'm the co-pilot.
Because he hits the freaking...
Alright, we're gonna be cruising at an altitude of 30,000 feet.
And I'm like, Captain Aaron, how does Sandstorm go? Everyone starts panicking on the plane.
Sound-activated walls. Whatever you do, don't play Darude set.
Sandstorm was a song. It's funny as hell, man.
Welcome back to Game Grumps, everybody.
Hi, how you doing? We're weirdly collecting women's underwear.
Hello, I'm coming in.
Was this animated by Studio Ghibli?
Not quite.
Go. Yes, sister.
Oh, nice.
Sister, meet my friend, Kenji, and this is Yukari. We've been waiting for you to wake up. Today is football.
Hey, football. I put a video that I think Angry knows.
It's like being in a room with aliens that are trying to learn how to be human. Wow, it started. Today is football.
Today is football. Today is football, gang.
Aaron is choking to death. You are losing your shit.
And all the pieces.
Wow.
Strange, but I have time to look around.
Look around, look around.
I can't.
Boy, there's nothing. There's
Yeah,
really
I
nothing.
can't. What?
What are you doing this for?
The door opened slightly.
Oh, okay. Oh,
That's
boy.
it. Okay. Understandable.
Truly losing your mind.
Understandable. Have a great day.
I know, it's very strange.
Oh boy. Okay, next one. More Game Grumps. Does Bruno Mars is gay? What? That title though. Surprisingly, the character design was amazing. Well, it does look amazing. Got a sexy tomboy there. Why do I like tomboys suddenly? This is a great one.
The rumor come out. Does Bruno Mars is gay?
What the fuck? Today's football. This is today's football. Alright.
I don't know, does he?
Well, they said that to my friend Ashley, so she went deeper down the rabbit hole and like read the article and sent it back to me, and she was like, "You're going to want to read this." So, allow me to take the next 20 seconds to read you an excerpt of the "Does Bruno Mars is gay" rumor mill.
What the fuck?
Because I've thought the same thing myself.
Yeah.
Does Bruno Mars is gay? I have to know. I have to know.
Bruno Mars is gay is the most discussed in the media in the few years ago.
What?
Even it has happened in 2012, but some of the public still curious about what is exactly happening and to be the reason there is a rumor comes out about his gay.
What the fuck?
Oh my god, I can't believe this is real, dude.
At that time, he became the massive social networking rumor. The public, especially his fans, are shocked. He just came out with his bad rumor, which is spread massively. This time is not about his music career, but his bad rumor. The rumor is out of standardize of hoax.
What?
According to the last reported, the singer revealed himself as homosexual. Do you still believe or not?
What?
not. This rumor is really much talked by people, even in a person of his fans. So I hope that cleared that up for you.
So,
Mom just came
he
into the room just
actually
now.
come out as gay?
I don't fucking know. You can glean anything from that?
Really?
My God, that was like.
Does Bruno Mars is gay?
Sorry, I had to cut
Bruno
it
Mars
halfway.
is gay. It's a question that will haunt me for the rest of my
Every day.
my life.
Sorry about that. That's Bruno Mars.
Here we are post knowing does Bruno Mars is gay.
Yeah. That has been cleared up. Whew.
Hold on, next one.
What do you think would...
What the fuck? Hold on. That was I just saw something really weird. Okay, hold on. Boop.
What do you think would happen if Obama,
What the fuck is that?
year 8, he was just like,
Year 8.
well, this
Yes.
this is giving me an erection.
Being president is it's a very hard erection.
Yeah.
Oh.
It actually arouses me very much. Thank you, American people. Thank you for electing me as president. I've never gotten my rocks off so hard. You may think that because I'm constantly stressed out and busy, I can't get it up. Not so.
What the fuck?
In fact, I've never been
This
more aroused in
animation.
my life.
Yeah.
I've never had so much awesome president sex.
Oh.
In fact, I've never had president sex before. Now that I have, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to turn it down. I'm gonna pre.
Has to be so hard for Sutra. Yeah.
I'm gonna fucking pre.
God damn. Hey, it's good though, but yeah.
God, if I ever found out that fucking like Obama has seen an episode of Game Grumps and he was like, "That's funny stuff." I like it when they say, "I'm gonna fucking pre." those guys,
Fucking kidding me.
Danny and Arnold. Love those two guys.
Damn, man. Yeah, I watched the episode when I got it. What you got, buddy? Come on, wait. Hold on a second. Here we go. Today is football. Hey, you're right. The character does look great.
Are you kidding? Now the football game will start. Or we can eat. Go. Yes, sister. I haven't salted it yet.
Looks like a 90s anime.
Yeah, we know.
It looks beautiful.
Hey, what are you talking about? No, we did not notice.
Yeah, it was very tasty.
But,
But yeah, it's all right, sister. But now there's not much left. I'm glad you liked it, sister. Meet my friend, Kenji, and this is Yukari. We've been waiting for you to wake up. Today is football.
Just lost it by then.
It's like being in a room with aliens that are trying to learn how to be human.
This game's so fucking weird.
Oh boy. You okay? Boy, your face is super red.
Is that Aaron just cracking up?
What is it? What got you?
This game's just like beating me down.
I know.
Aaron, chill.
Today
Aaron,
is football.
fucking chill. It's called Pantsu Hunter.
I know. It really
Sounds
was
like a
weird
hentai
sequence.
game.
Such nonsense.
Like the Newgrounds hentai game.
Oh, for sure. Sorry. That's all right. We'll see you later.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Oh, okay. I'll come later. Let's go, Kenji. Today is football. Wow, it started. Today is football. Look.
Look. At least
Aaron is choking to death. You are losing your shit.
She appeared in the chair before she fainted away.
Wow. You are truly losing your mind right now.
Fever dream.
I know, it's very strange.
There's just only
Good
like
lord.
little things that are off.
I know.
What?
Wow, what a match, too. Really a lot happening.
What?
I think she's completely absorbed
What's
in
calling?
this match. You know when you have a dream and like there's just like you're in your house, but, like,
Josh!
there's a room that's not like
Oh,
there.
dude, thanks
or,
for the
like,
raid,
your
buddy.
mom's like 7 feet tall or something, and
yes.
it's like it's just so weird.
5
and
million
unsettling.
people.
That's what this game is.
This does have that quality.
Reavers,
for some
thank you
reason,
for the
she has a
follow,
dual
buddy.
cassette player next to the fucking TV. Boy, it's weird.
It's so she can mix. Dude.
Hi.
Oh yeah, that's what it must be.
Hi. Thank you for the raid. Thank you for the stream.